go.
How can you be tough and gentle? Yeah, I want to be tough.
I know it does sound a little funny, huh? But the world is full of opposites, and so are you. To be a good warrior, you must bring it all into balance. Let's see if this helps. Earth, sky, day, night, sound and silence, and light. One alone is not enough.
Oh! Is it a chair?
Like a rock, you must be hard.
Fight back, girl.
You must stay firm, quick. Like my blade, think fast.
That's right, you're a girl. You're scared. I just took your chair. Oh, that little girl getting mad. Watch these biceps work.
But you're still out of balance.
Yeah, I win.